Hello, it's Tapouchwe.
Anu upon, kadekute e kopon.
Let's go learn and play the game with the aim of making Creole fun. In the last video, we looked at Fous. Fous meaning moodiness or grand charge, also meaning bad mood. And I asked, what does Fous blow mean in your Fous blow take a chaye, your chaudier fait? If you said C, rage in water, bad mood of water, that's the correct answer. So the sentence reads, a bad mood of water was carrying an iron pot, or rage in water was carrying an iron pot. In this video here, we're going to be looking at Afòs. Afòs meaning so much, or to such an extent. Afòs. Imagine-toi Afòs e voas. Imagine-toi Afòs e voas. Let's break it down word by word. E meaning he, she, or it. Manger, to eat. Twop, too much. Afòs, so or so much. Voas, greedy. Please, my Grenadian people, it is Afòs and not fuss. So not fuss are hungry. It is Afòs. Afòs mon pain. Now get ready for your 3 games. If jeute means joy or joyfulness and plewe means to cry, then what's Afòs no ple jeute nuka plewe? Afòs no ple jeute nuka plewe means we're filled with so much joy, we're crying. Afòs no ple jeute nuka plewe. If say means to be and Marco means nosy or traitor, then what's c'est pas Afòs moi Marco cosa? C'est pas Afòs moi Marco cosa. It's not so much that I'm nosy. C'est pas Afòs moi Marco cosa. I'm not nosy. I'm more or less concerned. If saute means to jump and blesse means to injure, then what's Afòs saute en fait yete blesse pied ye? Afòs saute en fait yete blesse pied ye. By jumping in the party, they had injured their feet. Note that ye is used for they or them in Grenada and French Guyana, while the others use yo. Get ready for your bonus game. Tête moi oueste pété Afòs la pli te ka kweve. What does this mean? Tête moi oueste pété Afòs la pli te ka kweve. A, B, or C? Let me know the answer in the comments below. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for watching and supporting Creole. See you in the next video.
Anu upon, kadekute e kopon.